Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make this string of pearls succulent cactus style thing. This one's a bit jaded, it's been in my garden for a year or two now, but it's made from double knitting, so it's done quite well. So I thought I'd make another one and show you how to make it. So it's made of different strands that are all sewn together at the end. So you've got some small ones, some medium ones and some really long ones. So I'm going to do a small one today, and then I'll tell you the measurement, well, the amount of bubbles you need for the others, and you can hopefully make your own. I've got this gorgeous Stylecraft green. I love it. It's a stunning shade of green. So you're going to start by making a slip knot, and we literally get straight into doing our bobble. So you can use these bobbles to and adapt them for other things. So you make, I've got a 4mm hook. You're going to make 3 chain. Keep that bottom one quite loose, don't tighten it up too much. And then you're going to make your bobble into that first chain that you've made. So a bobble is made by 4 half trebles, and I'm working in UK terms, 4 half trebles, but they're not finished off. So in we go, and catch hold, and then round and through 2. So it's kind of a half finished half treble. So that's 1, and then in again, and that's catch hold and through 2, and then round, in we go, catch hold and through those 2. So we've got 4 on, so this is the last one. So you're doing 4 half trebles, catch hold, and then you should have got 5 on. Have I not gone through? There we are. 5 on, and then round, and you go through all 5. So that's not quite a bobble yet. So the thing you do to close it up is you go into that first chain again, and you do a slip stitch into there, catch hold, and go straight through, and that will make it more of a bobble shape. So there you have the bottom of one of the little strings of pearls. Now in between each bobble you're going to do 7 chains. So again, keep them quite loose. So let's do another bobble. So into the 3rd chain from your hook is your half treble again. So 1, 2, remember you're not finishing these off, 3 and 4. It's harder to do the first one because you've got nothing to put any tension on, but these ones are easier. So there you've got 5 on your hook, straight through them all, and then fasten or kind of close this in with a slip stitch. So straight through and straight through, and that is a really effective little popcorn stitch. Now the small ones, the small strings, take 4 bobbles. You can do them as long as you like, really. So you've got 1, 2, 7 chain in between, and then into the 3rd chain from your hook you do your half treble bobble, Okay, so we've got 5 on, so pull that through and into there, slip stitch that together, and that's 3 made. And again we go 7, chain in between, and into the 3rd one from the hook we're going to do our final bobble for this strand. I think I've just got one more long one to do. And I might keep this one indoors so it doesn't get as weather faded. So there's my 5, through all of those, close it off, and then just to finish, so you've got a strand at the top, and just finish that one off. You do 5 chains at the top, and that is another one finished. So I'm going to do another video to show you how to do the soil. And I've got so many little videos to do for you. If you'd like to subscribe, that would really help. Out of anything, it would really help me grow my channel, and I would really appreciate it. So there's another small one. I've got all these to sew together at the top. So let me just show you how this is constructed. So you sew them into the top of the soil. So for that, obviously you need some brown. This is just double knitting. And then this is my pot. I think it's just an IKEA one that's got some stones in it, some pebbles in it to hold it down. And I'll do another. This is just like an amigurumi. So you just basically increase until you get to the widest part of your pot, and then you're decreasing back down, and then you stuff it. What did I stuff this with? Some old scraps of wool. So whatever you can find, you can stuff your soil with, but they look really effective. So there is your string of pearls. So I'll see you on the next one, and I'll show you how to do the soil. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing.